Hi everybody! Today we're going to go over how to create a touch campaign. Now when you log into the CRM, this is your home page, and if I direct your attention over here to the left, we have a marketing section right here. And underneath that we have a touch campaign menu. So if you click on that, it'll open us a new tab. Now to create a new touch campaign, we'll click this add button right here in the top left hand corner. It'll bring up a dialog box here. Now in the dialog box we have a drop down up top, and it gives us 4 categories of templates. We have auto response, greetings, newsletter, and marketing template. Now within each one of these categories are several pre-made templates. So we can simply choose one of those and then edit the text and images within there, or we can create a blank one and then go from scratch. So right now I'm going to select marketing template, and I'm going to select introduction. Hit select, and it brings me to this new tab here with my message. So up here I can name the campaign. I can select the group of people I want to send it to. We can pick when we want to send it. So let's say we want to send this next Monday at 8:30. So we'll do that. Put the from name here, and this is the name that shows up in the inbox. And I can have the email that I want to come from, so I can show mine, or I can put another email in there and go through a verification process. It's very quick. Now, if I want to change my message, I simply hover my mouse over the specific block that I want to change, click this little pencil sign, that's to edit it, and I can change out my text. I can remove it, I can change the fonts, make it bigger, smaller, bold it, italicize, underline, justify it. Anything you essentially do in Microsoft Word, you can pretty much do right here as far as with text. It's very, very user intuitive and user friendly. So I'll add in the text that I want. If I want to add an image, I can click on this little image sign here, and it brings up this dialog box, and I can browse, and this would be where all the images that you have inserted into the CRM are stored. So let's say I want to put in this image right here. Select that. Hit OK. Now my image shows up. If I want to, say I want to add a couple other messages to here, I click this plus sign right here. I have a message 2. I want another one. I have a message 3. I can set intervals from when these go out. So if I want my message to go out 7 days after my first one, I can do that. If I want my third message to go out, let's say 8 hours, I can select hours here. There's a drop-down box, days and hours, select that. And now my third message will go out 8 hours after my second one. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to save it. It's going to give me a confirmation dialog telling me that's saved. And now I have some new options up here, as you can see. So now I have everything set the way I want it. I want this email campaign to go out. I'm going to click on this execute button. It's going to give me a confirmation, or it's going to give me a dialog box asking me if it's sure it's what I want to do. Hit OK. Now this campaign is scheduled to go out on 6/22 at 8:30 a.m. Now that means that's when it's going to start. It's not going to start now. It will start on when you have this start date selected up here. Now if you want to stop it at any point and make changes, hit stop. It's going to ask you if you really want to stop. Hit OK. Now you can go back and make any changes that you want, and then you could always resume your message after you're finished. And that's it. That's very simple. That is how you create a new touch campaign.